Well, when we talk about cat parasites and their symptoms, we really need to refer to either parasites that are on the cat or in the cat. So we're talking about ectoparasites, cats that might be, parasites that might be living on the cat, or endoparasites, the ones that live in the cat. Something on the cat would be just something like a flea or a tick or a mite. So symptoms would be itching and scratching. Maybe there'd be, if it's ear mites, there might be waxy material, this dark black waxy material. The cat might be itching its ears, shaking its head. Or if you look in the ear, you can actually see this waxy material. And if you look really close, if you have your own little magnifying glass and you take some of that waxy material out of the ear, you can actually see these little white specks crawling around there. Those would be typical issues about parasites on the skin that usually are itchy. Parasites that are in the body, usually we're talking about something like a tapeworm or a roundworm. Fortunately, those problems, tapeworm is not really very problematic for most cats. It might be a real problem for you if the cat's sleeping on the couch or the bed or on your lap, and it gets up and you see these little segments of tapeworms, which are fairly disgusting when you see them hanging out. They look like little rice grains. They're flat, they're the same color of rice, and it's a tapeworm. So, but they're easy to treat, so that's one of the nice things. But the symptoms are very benign. Usually just you see them and there's no real symptom. Other worms can cause much more serious problems. Something like toxoplasmosis or giardia or coccidia are microscopic amoeboid type parasites that are inside the cat. And those need to be treated. A lot of times diarrhea is like the first symptom you might see. But just diarrhea in cats doesn't automatically mean it has worms. Many cats are born with worms. It's passed from the mother to the kittens in utero. Other times they'll pick it up from hunting or from eating fleas. So there's lots of different ways they get worms. Symptoms vary.